could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day or a few days later in the vlog, but got off from work, changed into my workout outfit. I need to put my waistband on, but I'm here admiring my flowers. Like, too cute, too cute. Like, did I say this already? Definitely my favorite bouquet so far. And it getting to the point where you can smell the roses. I don't know if that's just me, if I'm weird, but yeah, I like when it's getting old. And you can smell the roses. Like, smells so good. Okay, running out, but I'm about to exercise, and yeah, as we say, we're staying active. Make sure we stay active because vacation right around the corner, and we're trying to get the body in a shape. Anyways, I just pop in to say hi. Let me go work out and then take a shower, relax, and then go on my Zoom call. Can't wait for this vacation. I tired of Zoom call. I tired to go to work and come home and work. Can't bother. Hey guys, it is later the same day. I'm off from work, just coming from the shipping company. But these are my Amazon packages that I've been waiting on. I bought a few more items for my home office, so I'm gonna show you guys piece by piece, and then when I finish getting everything I need for it, then I'll show you the new setup out there. But let me just show you what all I got. So let's start with this box. I have a few more boxes down here. I have 3 boxes and a bag. So let's open them. I need a scissors. 1 minute. Okay, I find a knife. Everything is not mine. I think some stuff in here for my mom. Oh, nice. This, I show you guys this cream before, this face cream. And if I buy it again, then you know, okay? I was waiting for this. Mine's finished, and yeah, I just need this. This is so moisturizing and so good for my face. It works well on my face. Works really well, and it's retinol collagen. I'm excited. I have to wear that tomorrow because what my replacement is, let me show you because I don't like it that much. The backup that I'm using, since that's finished, is this CeraVe facial moisturizer, and it have the SPF in it. Only thing I like about this is that it has SPF, but it's not moisturizing. To me, it feels dry and it doesn't keep me moisturized. I feel like I have to use oil with it, and I'll definitely use it for the SPF, but yeah. I also got this. This came in the package. You guys can't see properly. Horrible lighting. I'm sorry guys, but these are some glasses that I purchased to help with my eyes because I'm staring at the screen all day, every day, and then all night when I come home. So these are some UV light eye protection glasses, and I got 3 for I think $9 or 8 something. I got 3 different designs. This one is with this print on the frame, and then I got a plain black. This is a plain black right here, And then just a, this one is cute. Ooh. This one is cute. This is a transparent one. I like this one. Ooh, it feels nice and sturdy. No, feels good. You can see. Look. Yes, you can see the blue light. Yeah. You can see that? You can see that? Yeah. Professor Campbell. I like these ones as well. This one with the print. Oh, there you go. Nice. I like this. Oh, I like this one. Thumbnail. Anyways, next we have this mini fan I purchased. Also, you see that it's pink. Also purchased this for my office, so I'm going to attach this to my monitor so I could have some fresh air, some breeze blowing. It's been hot. It is so hot out there, and yeah, we don't have a ceiling fan out there, so this is definitely needed. Cute. I didn't know they have this, but this works with what kind of battery? Probably AA. Yes, it looks like AA batteries. Ooh, it comes. You could use it with a battery, or you could charge it up and use it. This is so cool. Nice, nice. So this could just be plugged into my laptop while I'm working. Yes, this feels good. It's nice and calm, and oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it so much. Okay, I'm obsessed with this. Turn it off. Turn it off. So that was low. That was low, guys. So this is another speed. Okay, little. Okay. 3 speeds, okay? This is nice. No, this is nice. This is really breeze right now. I get nice breeze. What? Oh my gosh. I read it out, but yeah, guys. That's nice. I thought that was the speed. The first press that I did, I thought that was the speed. 3 speeds. This is good. And I think this was like $8 or $9. Guys, I'm going to put the prices on here so y'all could cop these things, because those glasses, if you use the laptop computer all day every day, or your laptop, your phone, protect your eyes, okay? I got some more fans here, guys, but these are the mini portable fans. This is a set of 3 that I purchased. Oh. These are the colors that I got: purple, pink, and blue. They're so nice. They all comes with their own card that you could hold around your neck and charge as well. I'm sure you could use this with battery as well, right? Let's see what they're giving for. Oh, see the lights on, so it's on. It's nice. Yeah. Okay, so keep forgetting that it doesn't have 1 speed, so that's the second, and that's the highest speed. Yeah, these things could work. These little things pushing here. Talk to me nice, okay? Talk to me nice. Anyways, guys, I purchased these mini ones, mini portable ones, because we need them for vacation. Okay, that's why I'm so excited to get my package, because I have some vacation stuff in here. So yeah, 1 for me, 1 for Khadijah, and I'm sending one to my goddaughter in Freeport. I think I'm gonna send her the purple because she asked for one. Actually, her mom asked me to get one for her, so yes. So when I saw the pack of 3, I figured that was perfect. I'll get the pink, I'll give Khadijah the blue, and this is for summer. You guys met summer before. Let's open the next box. Let's see. Oh, multivitamin. Oh, this is for my mom. It's the vitamin that she wanted. Mega premium multivitamin. Oh, it's some liquid supplement. Yeah. So I'll be sending this to her. Then also in this bag I have. Oh, I know this is like this. This is what I was most excited for. This is my luggage, my duffel bag. Oh my god, it's nice. Look at it. Oh my god, I'm excited. I feel like I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go right now. Ready to go right now. Okay. Nice. Okay, I guess this is. Oh, this is to store your shoes and then put it at the bottom of the bag. Nice. Okay, so it feels good. The quality feels really good, and that's why I didn't chance it and buy it on Temu, because I know Amazon should just give me my thing good and don't play with me. I don't want to second guess. Okay, so yeah, it feels good. It has this section in the back here, so you could put the arm of your suitcase, put it over it, so you don't have to carry it all the time. And then also it also comes with the strap, so you could wear it over your shoulder. Comes with a little pouch inside, so you could do whatever you want to do with this. It could be your makeup pouch or your just everyday essential stuff in here. I like it. And this wasn't that expensive. This was less than $20, guys. Less than $20. And I love the color. I was going to get black, and I'm like, nah. I have a lot of section in here, and this section is lined with plastic, so I guess you could put wet stuff in here and not stress. Then you have another smaller area here to put your phone or something small in there. And then underneath here, the bottom could open. This is where you put your shoes. I love this, man. I love it. This was a good buy, guys. This was a good buy. What else do I have in here? This is the last box. No, I don't remember what else I have. Oh, this is for me. But the thing for my mom is not in here. Oh, wait, I have one. Oh, this is for me. This is also for the office, my home office. I get things. Let me open this. Okay. There you go. So this is a magnetic poster. I thought it was bigger than this though. And it's more than one, is it? No, it's one. Okay, it's just one. But I thought it was bigger than this. Wow. Amazon, swing me. This is too small for what I need it for. But basically it's a magnetic poster board, like a white board. Yeah. And it comes with the markers and erasers. So yeah. Yeah, markers, erasers, whiteboard, but definitely smaller than I'm expecting. But yeah, it's cool. This is so cute. It also came with a little tiny eraser and some magnetic smiley face to, like, if you're attaching notes to your board. Yeah. Yeah. Cute. This is so tiny. This is cute. I just wish it was bigger. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for this Amazon haul. Thank you guys for watching. If you like anything that you saw in my haul, everything will be listed in the description below. So check it out and yeah, purchase. I'm gonna use this tonight, actually. I'm gonna use this tonight. I forgot I have one more package. Ooh, yes, this is also for my office space. So this is just a pillowcase, small pillowcase. Ooh, cutesy. Very demure, very cutesy. So yeah, this is just a pillowcase that I'm gonna use on my chair. How could I forget that? And then yeah, the rest is stuff for my mom. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let us know what you like. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, and just have a conversation in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.
Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything.